Come on in and welcome to my kitchen. In our last video, we learned how to make ayamase. If you're yet to view that video, I'll be leaving a link for you in the description section, or you can click on this link and head on to that video. From the title of this video, before you rightly clicked on it, we're here to learn okra. There are different faces to okra that I have made and that I love to make. The way that you make your okra depends on how you want it. Do you want it slimy? Do you want it non-slimy? Or do you just prefer it to be in between? Well, I for one, I love my okra to be slimy, while the man in this house loves his okra non-slimy. But because we have to come to a common ground, I have to figure out a way that I will make it stand in between so that I'll be able to eat that soup and he as well will be able to have that soup. And so in this video, I'll be showing you how to make okra that is just in between, that is not too slimy, and at the same time that is not just there. Also, I'll be showing you in this video what you can use as a substitute to your regular spinach or kale or Ugwu leaf. And trust me, this leaf takes your okra up a notch. And so I'll be sharing with you what that leaf is in this video. Is there something else I need to say? Oh! If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. And while you are at it, turn on your notification bell so that you'll get updated instantly when I upload my videos, which are bi-weekly. And to my oldie but goodie, you see me dancing for you. Thank you for always being there for me. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for returning. And also turn on your notification bell if you haven't done that yet. So without us speaking too much, let's get cooking. On an ingredient list, we have assorted meat of your choice, grounded pepper, habanero pepper, uziza leaf, smoked shrimp, seasoning cubes, salt, dry fish, stockfish, okra, palm oil, okpei, which is that black stuff inside that bowl. I prefer using okpei for my draw soup such as ogbono and okra, and then use dao, which is like a brother or a sister to it, for my egusi. Let's wash our meat. Wash your meat thoroughly and place them in a pot as shown. Place your pot on the stove. Add your chopped onions, seasoning cubes, salt, and top the content with water. Cover your pressure cooker unsealed if that is what you're using. Use the big side of your grater to chop your okra pods. Place it at an angle when chopping and be cautious of your finger when you're getting to the end. I prefer using this tool in place of food processor because I get a more uniform size. Moreover, the amount I work with is not a lot, which takes away the added chore of washing my very big food processor. If the tip breaks up easily like so, it shows a matured okra pods. A tip when buying your okra. For added body and to get that middle ground I spoke about in my intro, I chop some of the pods with my knife as shown. At the end of prep, this is what you should have. Put this in a bowl and set aside. Chop your remaining onions and add it into the mix. Repeat the same process with the habanero pepper. This pepper and the ground dry pepper bring their different flavors to the soup. Add this as well into the mix. And stir the content together. I love doing this anytime I am making okra as it does look super appealing to my eyes. Let us check on our meat. Once it has come to a boil, taste and adjust the spice or seasoning as needed. Then seal off the pressure cooker to continue cooking. It is time to prepare our remaining ingredients. Add salt to the dry fish and top them with boiling water. Allow it to soak for a little while. The salt we add as a natural cleanser, while the soaking will hydrate the fish and allow us thoroughly wash them. Once the knob has been rocking for about 3 minutes, take off the stove and allow it to naturally release itself. About 5 to 10 minutes later, decant the hot water, add in cool water and debone the fish as shown. I love to add in the head of the fish, but I ensure I thoroughly wash off any yama inside of it. Repeat this process for the stockfish. This fish is one deceptive one. If you do not get inside every of the crevice, You won't realize how much yama yama ants that it houses. Thank God for soaking. Now, let's wash one of our secret weapon in this recipe, the uziza leaves. And set it aside. Repeat the same process with the smoked prawns. You can leave it whole or divide it into chunks as shown. All our ingredients that needed prep are attended to and set aside. Once the pressure cooker has released, I took out some of the meat because I am making 2 soups on that day. Add in your dry and stockfish, ground pepper, okpei, and smoked shrimp. Spread it out with your spoon and add your palm oil. The amount of palm oil depends on how you want it to look. Now, I must confess, this was a little more than what I wanted. Definitely a disadvantage of eyeballing. Add your ground crayfish. Cover it up and bring everything to a boil. Taste and adjust the seasoning to your taste level. I realized I needed more crayfish, so I added it. My rule of thumb in my kitchen is always to add your spices little by little to avoid overdoing it. Once it has come to a boil, take out the warriors in the stock. Doing this helps you better control the consistency you want when you mix in the okra. It will also help keep the fish intact. Stir in your okra and thin it out as needed. If you want it thick, use less water or no water at all. It is definitely your call at this stage. Once satisfied, add in the leaf, also bit by bit, till you are okay with the amount. Caution: it has some hotness to it, so don't go overboard with it. Now, add in your Oreos and gently fold it into the soup. Five minutes of simmering later, give it a test for need of salt. Then give yourself a thumbs up at this point. Soup is ready. Enjoy! If you have watched this video thus far, I hope it was worth your time. If yes, remember to give this video a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell while at it. Until next time, when I see you again, let's learn and cook together. Bye bye.